Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Gala Games chart, which at the time of this recording we have lost our key area of support at around the $0.04353 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my breakdown targets here on the Gala Games chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Gala Games, after seeing its lower low, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot structure in blue, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.06278 mark, and after seeing this 5 wave structure to the upside, we completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside, and after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is an area that I've marked here on the charts, which is a target area that we fully maximized. And initially in my previous videos I was expecting the start of a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, having my minimum target areas to the upside at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.11902 mark, and that is the minimum that I was expecting that wave 3 to the upside to do. And because of its impulsive nature, I was also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upside. And getting a little bit into details, because we had started such a scenario over here where I was terming that as the first wave to the upside, giving us a peak at around the $0.05316 mark. Then I was expecting a retracement over here in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 as a minimum retracement area. And you can see we fully maximized that target area, and after losing the fib level 0.78, we continued pushing even lower, losing other key areas on the Fibonacci's, and we have seen a 100% retracement over here, meaning that whatever we are seeing, which is a fractal wave within the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3, is not valid anymore. And because of that move, I want to give you my breakdown targets, because I now believe that whatever we are seeing over here is not the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3 anymore, because we have lost our impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3 by first invalidating our Elliot wave structure, which is a fractal wave within the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3. We have also lost our key area of support and also lost the 20-day MA, and there are chances that whatever we are seeing here on the Gala Games chart could still be the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 2. And using the Fibonacci's, so that I can give you my breakdown targets to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gives me a new target area in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2, which is also my new breakdown targets here on the Gala Games chart between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which lies between the $0.03926 mark and the $0.03363 mark. And it is within this red target area down here that I'm expecting to see the low for that second wave to the lower side. And there are chances that whatever we are seeing over here is just a massive ABC corrective structure, where we can term this as a wave A, then that is the wave B. Then I'm expecting one more leg down in the formation of that wave C to fully maximize our target areas to the lower side in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 2. So that is my breakdown targets here on the Gala Games chart, and these, I don't think there is reason for us to panic, because in case we see one more new low in the formation of this wave 2, then that would be another perfect entry to get back into Gala Games, so that we can be able to ride that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. and this is the time that we need to use our stop losses because of the breakdown that we are seeing in the crypto market. And once the low for this higher Elliott wave count 2 is in, then we can expect our massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 24 mark, meaning we have managed to get into the oversold region here on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have been able to print a bearish cross, and we're also seeing a bit of a sharp increase in the selling momentum, suggesting that there are chances of continuing to see the breakdown here on the Gala Games chart to maybe give us one more new low in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 2 before we can start our massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And jumping to the daily chart to give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala Games chart. Here on the daily chart, you can see that Gala Games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $0.85 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us the low for that higher Elliott wave count 2. And on the long-term scenarios, I'm expecting that bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, where I have my minimum target areas, and that is at around the $1.36017 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Gala Games to do on the long-term scenarios and also on the short-term scenarios. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.